I'm Jen Murphy. I've been a professional makeup artist for 25 years, and I have breast cancer. I have had one chemo treatment already, and as well as a full mastectomy on my left side, and a whole bunch of lymph nodes taken out that were cancerous. Tomorrow, I'm going into my second chemotherapy session. It's scary, can't deny that. And some things have come up that are unexpectedly really disturbing. I've always had like super cropped hair. As you will notice, I'm now losing it. I took a shower last night, and when I shampooed my hair, it just came all out, and I thought, oh my God, it's really affected me in ways that I never expected that it would. And it's real, and it's hard, and I'm trying to do this as graciously as possible. I have had a passion for natural makeup and skincare long before I ever got cancer. And so it's kind of ironic that I've been using a lot of this stuff, and it happened anyway. But it does happen. Whether or not you have cancer, I would like for you to join me on this journey, because there's a lot to learn about natural products, what's in them, how to read ingredient labels, how to choose what's right for your skin. My skin has changed in ways that I'm finding horrifying, because I have always had young looking skin for my age, and as I've lost 15 pounds in just the course of a few months, my skin has started to sag here and get some lines, a little bit loss of collagen, and it's only going to get worse. This is the beginning of chemo for me. I literally have 5.5 more months of it. The fact that your skin gets really dry, you're just dehydrate from the inside out, and my skin's already dry. It's Colorado, and it's really hard to keep your skin hydrated, to keep your body hydrated. The thing that I love most about being a makeup artist and working directly with clients, both private and in the commercial world, is that I get to be this close to someone and really look in their eyes. I get to know something about them that maybe other people don't get to know. I touch their faces, and what a beautiful thing that is. How many people really touch your face? Think about it. In the history of your life, who has the honor, the privilege to touch your face? And even though I can't do that with you, because there's this camera and the interwebs in between us, I would like to know you. And I would like for you to share this journey with me in discovering more about natural products, natural looks, easy looks. The content of this channel is going to be focused on over 40 and have cancer. If this does not apply to you, you can check out now, or you can tune in and see what you might learn. In this video series, I will be doing product reviews of natural and organic products, as well as looks that will all be gathered in a lookbook on beyourselfbeautiful.com. I will also be reviewing my own product, Version O. It's an amazing skincare line that is organic, wild crafted, and has ingredients curated from all over the world. I would like to leave you with my motto, which is an old Arabic proverb that says, "Be yourself beautiful, and you will find the world full of beauty."